Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. I am excited to be part of this month's What Will You Make collaboration. As hosts, we have Rustic and Lace DIY and Divine Designs. As guest hosts, we have Z9 Designs. The link to the playlist and their channels will be listed in the description box. For this project, we will use two pieces of wood of the same length. These are about 12 inches long. One is shorter than the other one. Also, we will use a deer, different colors and sizes of pine trees, two different sizes of beads, but you can use what you have on hand, and other optional materials that you will see later. I painted the large beads beforehand because I used the same paint in another project. So here are the nicely painted beads. I will insert them into this thread. Next, I will find the center of the shelf to attach the hanging loop. I forgot to record how I glued the wooden pieces. They have a simple L shape and you will see it several times in the video. Now, I will mark where I want the beads to hang. They will be 1 inch apart. Using my handheld drill, I will drill the holes to attach the eye hooks. These eye hooks are very small, as I want a seamless finish. Here are all the eye hooks attached to the shelf. Now it is time to attach the beads. Friends, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your support for this channel. If you are new, welcome. Please consider subscribing as I have more exciting DIYs coming soon. To attach the hanging loop, I will carve the shelf a little because I want the shelf to be flush against the wall. This will help me to make adjustments in case it is not well balanced. Next, I will drill a hole, and using a screw I will attach the hanging loop to the shelf. These are optional pieces. I had these corners on hand, so to make the shelf a little nicer, I will place two, one on each end. Now I will remove all the wooden pieces from all the pine trees. Next, I will drill holes in the shelf exactly where I want the pine trees to be placed. Using E6000 glue, I will attach all the pine trees and the deer. When I was done with this project, I decided to add another row of beads, so I will follow the same process as before. Here's the final reveal. What do you think of this Christmas winter piece? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one.